Listen carefully and try to understand the whole story. During the listening, you will see explanations of some words to help you learn and understand better. I hope you enjoy this format. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like.
Maybe. Alex, look at this. What?
What is it? What?
Ice cream. Chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, and it's free.
Yes, but it's 8 in the morning. Oh, what?
So what?
Ice cream is not breakfast.
But I'm hungry, and it looks so good.
Oh. Mary, stop. Put the bowl back.
Why? You said the food is free.
Mary, it is free, but ice cream is dessert. You eat it after lunch or after dinner.
But Alex...
No, but Alex. Come with me. First, we get real food. Food.
This is so unfair.
Look, eggs, toast,
Fruit?
fruit, yogurt.
No, I don't want eggs. Ice cream gives me energy, too. I agrees me energy, too.
Your body needs many things. Eggs, fruit, bread. A little of everything. That is called balanced.
Balanced? What does that mean?
It means not too much of one thing. Like when you carry a plate. If you only put ice cream on one side, it's not balanced. If you put eggs, toast, and fruit, now it is balanced.
Oh, like when a table has only one leg. It falls.
Exactly. Your body is the same. Too much sugar, and later you feel bad.
Okay. Can I have ice cream after?
After you finish a balanced breakfast,
Yes.
a small one, one.
Deal. Alex. That's too much food.
It's a buffet. A buffet, you can take as much as you want.
But can you really eat all of that?
Just watch me. Just watch me.
Remember the last vacation? You ate too much buffet every day. Then your pants didn't fit.
That was years ago. I go, fine. I'm fine now.
I don't want to
Why?
carry you back to the cabin.
Don't worry. I will. Be careful.
May.
Maybe. Ugh, I'm so full. Ugh.
See? I told you.
Okay. Maybe tomorrow I...
Eat less.
Dessert. A sweet food you eat at the end of a meal, after lunch or after dinner. Example: ice cream is dessert. You eat it after lunch or after dinner. Balanced. Having the right amount of different things, not too much of one thing. Example: if you put eggs, toast, and fruit, now it is balanced. Energy. The power your body needs to move, think, and do things.
Example: your body needs them. They give you energy.
Terrible. Alex, this is terrible.
What's wrong?
There's no internet. None. None. Zero.
We are on a ship in the middle of the ocean. There is no free Wi-Fi here.
I know.
No.
But my phone says ocean Wi-Fi. When I tap it, nothing happens.
You have to buy it.
Buy it? You pay money?
Yes. Wi-Fi on a cruise ship costs money.
How much? How much?
I think it's expensive. Maybe per day or per device.
But I need the internet. I want to check Instagram and messages.
You can talk to me. I'm here.
That's not the same.
You can take pictures now and send them when we get home.
That is so I sold school.
Just try to enjoy the cruise without your phone all the time. All the time.
I'll try, but I won't like it. Like it.
Buffet. A meal where many dishes are on a table and you serve yourself. Example: it's a buffet. You can take as much as you want. Full. When your stomach is complete and you cannot eat more. Example: I'm so full.
Okay, Mary, listen. We are going to visit We is Island this afternoon.
Are there beaches?
Yes, there's a beach, some shops, and a little town.
Do they have Wi-Fi in town?
They have Wi-Fi? Maybe in some cafes.
Everyone has to be back on the ship by 5 o'clock.
What happens if we are late?
On time is cruel. Then the ship leaves without us.
Tap. To touch the screen of your phone quickly. Example: when I tap it, nothing happens. Device. A thing you use for technology, like a phone, tablet, or computer. Example: maybe per day or per device. Old school. Done in an old, traditional way, not modern. Example: that is so
Really?
old school.
It just goes away?
Yes. Wait for 2 people. Yes, the ship cannot wait for 2 people.
Well, that's scary.
So, we must watch the time. No being late.
Okay, we won't be late.
No, late.
Look, seashells!
Look, a souvenir shop. Okay, let's walk on the beach first, then go to the shops.
amazing. Why is amazing?
I know, but we can't stay too long. Remember the time. We hickey back.
What time do we go back?
Island. A piece of land with water all around it. Example. Are there beaches? Yes, there's a beach, some shops, and a little town. Late. Not on time. After the right moment. Example. What happens if we are late? Then the ship leaves without us.
Alex, it's right.
Can I
Try it on?
Sure, but be quick. It's already 4 o'clock.
Hi. Relax. We have lots of time.
Time goes fast. We still have to walk back to the port.
Okay. just one more shop.
No.
Souvenir shop. A small store that sells things to remember a place. Example. Look, a souvenir shop.
Alex, where are you? It's 4:45.
I'm here. Let's go.
Why are we walking along fast? Really fast?
Because the ship leaves at 5. 5.
People are already walking up the gangway.
Yes, they are going back on the ship. We have to hurry. Wait for us!
Like,
Please walk quickly, sir, but don't run.
are we late?
You are just on time. Boarding closes in a few minutes.
I told you we had to watch the time.
But we made it. See? No problem.
My heart is beating so fast.
I don't want the ship to leave without us.
It's okay. We're safe now. We're on the ship.
Hurry. To move quickly because of limited time. Example. Alex told Mary, "We need to hurry or the ship will leave." Boarding time. The scheduled time when passengers must get on a ship, plane, or bus. Example. The cruise boarding time is at 5 o'clock.
So, what did we learn today?
Ice cream is not breakfast.
And Wi-Fi is not everywhere.
And we must always check the time.
What? Oh, especially on a cruise.
Can we go to the buffet again tomorrow? Or?
Yes. But remember, balanced breakfast.
Okay. Maybe I'm just a small ice cream.
Breakfast. The first meal of the day, usually eaten in the morning. Example. Mary learned that ice cream is not breakfast.